this is the ink side. So when I reference that, that's what I mean, shirt side versus ink side. So I'm going to coat the shirt side first. The emulsion's going to push through to this side. I'll turn around and coat the ink side next. And when I coat this side, it's almost going to push the emulsion back to the other side. Because ultimately you want the emulsion to be thicker on the shirt side than the ink side. You always want a thicker stencil, emulsion stencil on the shirt side.
The nut is facing. That way when you print, it's right on the shirt. I want that to be centered at 4 inches. This is a 20 by 24 frame. So 10 inches is the center. I need that bullseye and that bullseye 10 inches. Vacuum units have a rotary.